What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new ring light, or my other ring light actually. Because I don't think I've ever unboxed it with y'all. So I'm going to take my hair down like during this video, but not now. So this is a ring light that my aunt bought me for Christmas. I've been using it, I just never unboxed it. And this one is brighter. If you've ever seen me like not in this room but in another room, this is the light that I be using. So I'm gonna unbox it with y'all. I think she got it from Amazon, I'm not sure, but it's a small version of what I have now. And I got this, my ring light that I always use, I got it at Walmart. So yeah, it was like $26 or something like that. Something like that, I don't know. I did a video on it actually. So just look up Kyla Latrice ring light and you'll see it. So what I'm doing is I'm screwing into pieces. And I'm going to take that. Since my phone is on this ring light, I don't really need this right now. So I'm just gonna put that in the box. This is what holds your phone, like it holds your phone. But I just want to see if I have extra light, if that'll make a difference in my videos. So I'm just going to stand this up. And then we're gonna turn, oh, my bad. Okay, so so this is what it looks like. Of course, this one is lighter than this one. Let me change. Hold on. Wait, what am I trying to do? Okay, I think that's the same light. Yeah. I'm just trying to see if it's gonna make a difference. Okay, so now let me turn this one off. What do y'all think? I feel like if it was taller, or maybe, I'm not sure. I don't know. If y'all think it makes a difference, let me know. Because I want to, you know, have good lighting and things like that, you know. But if y'all thinks it makes a difference, let me know. I really just wanted to unbox this ring light with y'all. So this says for makeup and live stream, beauty LED ring light, ultra thin design, stylish appearance, 360 flicker free light source, wide angle light distribution, and USB power supply. And this is what it looks like. It's literally exactly what it looks like. So this light you could use if you have like a desk, or you know what I'm saying, like this is a good light if you have like a desk. I'm eventually gonna get a setup, but not here. Like once I move, I'm gonna get like a setup and shit like that. Yeah, that's why I don't like record certain videos, because I don't really have a setup for it right now. But once I do get my setup, homegirl finna be posting all different types of content. But unfortunately I can't do that right now because I don't have my setup how I want it and things like that. But it's fine though. I feel like if you I think I know for a fact, I know my auntie and she shops on Amazon, so I'm sure she got this for me on Amazon. But this seems brighter than the one I have, because I think that's because it's smaller. I'm not sure. But this one definitely does seem brighter than the one I have now. So like it's kind of blinding me. So we're just gonna leave that right there. Do y'all remember when I didn't have a ring light at all? When I started so this is why I say it doesn't matter what you have when you start a YouTube channel. Because when I started my YouTube channel, I did not have a ring light. I didn't have a ring light at all. I didn't have nothing. You know what I'm saying? I put my phone. I used to set my phone on all type of shit to get this set up right here. Like I used to stack shit like all the time. I used to go look at some of my older videos, y'all. The quality is trash. It's not trash, but like you could tell, like, okay, she really working with what she got. Because I did not have a ring light. I didn't have no type of stand or nothing. I was just setting my phone on top of shit, trying to get, you know, this level. Yeah, it was hard. It was hard, but I still got my videos out. So that's why I say it doesn't matter what you have. Like I still record off of my phone, only because I'm not trying to learn how to work a camera right now. Like that's just not, I don't feel like that's in the cards for me, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to learn how to work a camera yet, even though so many people I talk to are in photography, so they could teach me how to use a camera. I'm just good. You know what I'm saying? Like so many people I meet out here in California, they be like, oh, you know, I do photography, or oh, you know, I'm a videographer. And I'm like, oh, okay. And then I tell them, like, you know, I do YouTube. And so when that door opens, it squeaks, and I don't like that. But so when I tell people like, oh, you know, I do YouTube, they be like, oh, you know, what camera equipment do you use? And I be like, I just record off of my phone because I don't want to learn how to work a camera. And then they be like, oh, you know, I can teach you how to work a camera or whatever. I'm just like, no, thank you. I be declining. Don't be like me. If y'all don't be like me, you know what I'm saying? If you have friends and people that know how to work cameras and are in videography and photography, let them teach you how to work a camera. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just not at that point yet, and that's okay. It's nothing wrong with that, you know what I'm saying? But now I have 2 ring lights. I was blessed to get 2 ring lights. Like, this one, the ring light that I have right now in front of you, in front of me, I got this one from Walmart. It was like $26 and some change, and I know my auntie probably got this one off of Amazon because she's an Amazon fanatic. And this one is a small one. Just look up makeup ring light. Look up beauty ring light, LED light, and I'm sure you'll find it. But yeah, this is one of my Christmas presents. So yeah, I guess I'm done talking y'all ear off. I just wanted to unbox my ring light with y'all and encourage y'all that if you want to start whatever, you know what I'm saying, you do not need to get expensive ass ring lights. You know what I'm saying? This one was $20, and I'm sure this one was probably less than that, if not the same. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you go to Walmart. Check Walmart for ring lights. Check Amazon for ring lights. Target may have ring lights, I'm not sure. So yeah, just I want to encourage y'all to start your channel. Start whatever you want to start. But if you need ring lights, do not let that discourage you. You do not need these $100 ring lights, $65 ring lights. You know what I'm saying? This ring light has lasted me a minute. I got this in when? December, if I'm not mistaken. And my last ring light, the one that's taped, I still have that one as well. It's back there in the corner. I got that one off of Amazon. So yeah, check Amazon for ring light, and that one was probably like $20, if not cheaper. So yeah, if you need a ring light, just go ahead and check your store, your Walmart, Amazon, and I should have got two. Next, I want to get the lights, like just the lights that stand up. That's what I want to do. I want to get the lights. That's what I need. Yeah. Because I want good lighting, even when it's dark. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Cheese. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.